The first part of the mermaid experience is we're gonna give the girls makeup and just tell them what they can do underwater and to just try to show them what they'll be comfortable with.
Hello, we are so excited. We just got our mermaid makeup and we're ready to become Wiki Watchy mermaids.
It was an amazing experience. I'm very surprised that I was capable of doing it, but thanks to all the beautiful mermaids that really taught us how to well prepare ourselves, our breathing, how we moved, and even the poses. It was amazing. The ladies are so sweet. I love every single detail. It's so intricate. There's even a mermaid on the step here. It's a beautiful experience. So if you really want to become the Little Mermaid, you really, really, really should come here and try it out.
Being a mermaid is hard work, and I'm retired.
Thank you so much. I'm a real mermaid now. Yes, thank you. It's official. It's official. I'm a real mermaid.
Be sure to join us for a one-of-a-kind mermaid experience with the world-famous Wiki Watchy mermaids.
Sign up now for the experience of a lifetime.